This is the Anker Powerbank, a magnetic battery compatible with MagSafe. Got this reduced price at Amazon. These normally retail for around £40. This was down to 27, and of course this is only compatible with iPhones 12 and above. Let's have a look what we get in the box. Okay, so we get some instructions. We get a charging cable, USB-C to USB-C, and of course we get the power bank. The card that comes in the box tells us that this is as fast as original MagSafe chargers. So MagGo, which is what they call this, will charge in 2.9 hours and an original 2.9 hours. So just as fast as probably the Apple manufactured ones. Even though I've had iPhones with MagSafe for quite a while, this is the first MagSafe accessory that I've ever had. It's nice and slim, a little over 12mm thick, so it'll pop nicely into an everyday carrier bag or tech pouch. Talking of which, I've got the Simple Commuter backpack on order and I will review that in the next few weeks. Anyway, you'll easily get this in anything with a loose pocket while it's attached to your phone. Capacity of the battery is 5000 milliamps, so enough for a full charge. And as I've already mentioned, to charge the battery itself, we have a USB-C port, so you'll be able to charge that with your phone charger. And here we have a button which, if you press, it will show you the battery capacity. I like the design and feel of the product, nice and sleek, minimal design with this graphic that kind of replicates the one on the back of the MagSafe cases. This does come in a few different colours. I've obviously gone with white so it'll match my iPhone 16 Pro Max when it eventually turns up. When we attach it to the phone, we don't get the animation like we would with Apple MagSafe accessories. But if you want those fancy animations, then you will have to pay Apple prices. And in my opinion, for what it's worth, I think third parties do a better job of making iPhone accessories than Apple do. Looking at the back, we have this, a kickstand. So while you're charging your phone, you can carry on viewing media content, FaceTime calling, or whatever else you're doing. And if you're near a power source, you can charge the battery while you're using it as a kickstand. The magnetic connection is secure, phone isn't going anywhere. You could easily sit on a plane or train watching a movie without worrying about your phone falling off the charger. All in all, good product. I've had Anker products before, always been happy with them, and never had any problems. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, it will help me out, and come back to see my review of the Simple Commuter backpack.